Hello there, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to send automatic receipts for payments in Stripe, a crucial feature for enhancing your customer service experience and streamlining your payment processes. Automating your receipts can significantly ease the management of customer transactions, ensuring that every payment is acknowledged promptly and professionally. Let's dive right into the steps. First, open any web browser and type in stripe.com to access the Stripe website. Once the home page loads, you'll see the Sign In option at the top right corner. Click on it to proceed to the login page, where you'll enter your registered email and password. Double-check your credentials for accuracy, and then hit the Sign In button to access your Stripe dashboard. Upon entering your dashboard, navigate to the Settings option, typically located in the bottom left section. Clicking on this will reveal a variety of configuration options for your Stripe account. In the Settings menu, scroll through until you find Account Settings, and then click on the Business tab. Don't worry if the options seem overwhelming at first. We're focusing on automating your email receipts today. Under the Business tab, locate the Customer Email section. Your dashboard might look slightly different due to updates Stripe may have implemented, but you should typically find a section labeled Customer Emails. This is where you'll configure the email settings to send automatic receipts. To enable automatic receipts, find the toggle labeled Successful Payments and turn it on. This ensures that receipts are automatically emailed to your customers whenever a payment is successfully processed. Additionally, there's an option for refunds. If you wish to automate emails for refund scenarios as well, enable this toggle to keep your customers informed throughout the entire payment process. And that's it. With these settings configured, Stripe will automatically handle the sending of payment receipts, saving you time and enhancing consistency and reliability in your customer service operations. If you followed these steps, congratulations! You've successfully set up automatic receipts in Stripe. Should you have any questions or require further assistance, Stripe's support section is an excellent resource for additional insights and troubleshooting tips. Thanks for tuning in, and feel free to reach out in the comments if you need any further help or have any feedback. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.